Hey guys, welcome to the Big Promo Cast. This show we like to highlight brands that use merch for marketing and promotions to give business owners and marketers some ideas for their own campaigns. We'd love it if you left us a review on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts, or even leave a comment down below this video. This week I've got a few things to talk about. Man, it's hot, and thank goodness that the Slurpee is doing some promotions. A pretty cool Cheez-It takeover out in California, a summer promotion from Barilla Pasta, Taco Bell, some new uniforms from a popular streetwear artist. First thing I'm going to talk about is Slurpees. They've been rebranded, you know. They've got a fresh new look called an Anything Flows campaign, and they've done a whole bunch of merch to go with it. The merch is pretty cool. Another pool float. These are awesome. What was the other thing they had on here that was awesome? Beach towels. Oh, this inner tube thing. Dude, you don't ever see that. And that's got a big fat Slurpee mark on it. Unusual. The campaign aims to bring joy and self-expression to Slurpee drink fans while celebrating the illusion of the brand. Customers can enhance their experience by downloading the 7 Rewards and Speedy Rewards apps. For additional benefits, and using the 7 Now Delivery app for $1 small Slurpee drink delivery. You're going to go on an app and spend $1 to have a Slurpee delivered to you? That is a tremendous waste of resources. I don't know. I wouldn't do it, and I wouldn't encourage people to do it. That seems ridiculous to me. Here's another fun thing. You know, I go to 7-Eleven in my neighborhood here quite a bit. They never have any of this stuff for sale. I think they ought to have this available to buy in the store, and not just online. I mean, if it's an experience, you're going to buy something and wait 2 or 3 or 4 weeks to get it. I mean, summer's halfway over already. But like I said, the stuff is pretty cool. Bucket hats are hot right now. Hot, hot, hot. Baseball caps, T-shirts. Yeah, everybody's got that. Can coolers. And again, you're selling Slurpees, man. Why do you need a can cooler? Because you're selling Slurpees in a cup. I don't get that. I don't get that tie-in. Hoodies? Maybe. It's summertime. I don't know who's going to buy a hoodie. But, you know, what do I know? Like I said, I went to public school in Texas, so I don't know much. But again, the floating inner tube thing is cool. That's an awesome thing. Beach towels, bucket hats, Slurpee cherry enamel pins. Those are fun. That's all I have about that. Our buddies at Cheez-It, of all things, did a really, really fun promotion in Joshua Tree, California. They took over an entire roadside gas station. It's pretty cool. The station is called The Station. Whoops. It's called The Station, and it's got all kinds of funky, you know, the guy standing there used to have a muffler in his hand. They've got all kinds of quirky souvenirs and stuff. So Cheez-It took it over, and they called it the Cheez-It shop. That's what it looked like after they took it over. It's pretty cool. There's a big guy has a big Cheez-It thing, big Cheez-It can in his hand. And there was a thing there where you could fill up your car with Cheez-It bags, little bags of Cheez-Its. It was pretty funny.
1, 2, 3, Cheez-It! Money, yeah. Woohoo.
All kinds of Cheez-It merch in there. This thing's over now. They took it over for a couple weeks ago. So, but they took over the whole place. It's a really cool thing. I don't know if he's stocking or buying all those. That's pretty funny. People went crazy. I'll be sure to leave all the links in the show notes too, because there's a bunch of fun pics of this. And this is on Joshua Tree, which is not really between LA and San Diego, but it's around there, but it's kind of far away from both. So anyway, looks like a fun thing to be a part of. And they do have merch that you can buy online if you did not make it to the store. Typical T-shirts, hoodies, but this Hawaiian shirt is awesome. These slides are awesome. Socks are awesome. An apron, that's fun. Can cooler, a plush blanket. Oh, the Skull Candy cassette Bluetooth headphones. I don't know why they're called cassette, but I mean, Skull Candy is a name brand. You know, name brand promos, people love that stuff. Anything like we sell JBL speakers, people go crazy for them. Here's the takeaway. A business owner can create unique and immersive experiences to engage your fans and customers. By combining the nostalgic atmosphere, exclusive merchandise, and a one-of-a-kind product like the Cheez-It Pump. It's kind of gimmicky, but it's fun. This campaign highlights the importance of finding innovative ways to connect with your audience, to drive brand loyalty through branded merch and swag. It's a lot of mumbo-jumbo to say. People love to get stuff. They love to buy stuff, especially if they're fans of your brand. So that's all I have about Cheez-It. Our buddies at Barilla Pasta are launching a limited edition Summer of Pesto collection inspired by their creamy Genovese pesto and rustic basil pesto. The collection includes pasta, jars of pesto, recipe cards, and some trendy limited edition items. And you can't buy these, which is crazy. You got to make enough to sell. Inflatable snack tray, a bucket hat, a beach towel, and a tote bag. There's the inflatable snack tray, and it's really just an inflatable floaty with a place to put drinks and a tray in the middle, which is kind of cool. This is the beach towel laying here with this pattern on it. Oh, there you can see it real big right there. And there's the tote bag and the beach towel. Bucket hat. Bucket hats again. People love bucket hats. I mean, it's totally custom printed. It's fantastic. It matches their packaging, which is awesome. Matches the little cookbook they have there and the jars of pesto. The colors are all lined up. So why don't you have the merch available for people to buy after the fact? I don't get it. You had to enter a chance to win within a specific time frame. The collection cannot be purchased separately and is only available through the giveaway. And maybe they gave away 1,000. Who knows? But again, I think it'll leave people disappointed. And who wants disappointed customers? Not me. In fact, I'm disappointed in them that they didn't decide to offer it for sale to anybody. Our buddies at Taco Bell have teamed up with an artist named Ricardo Gonzalez, and they've come up with a streetwear, not really a line because it's really uniforms just for their employees. He's got a certain look about him that's kind of like graffiti art, and he does stuff all over the world like this. It looks like cursive. Well, it's not really cursive writing. It looks kind of like neon writing. But he's got all kinds of stuff. Some of the stuff is looks like the paint was dripping. What Taco Bell did was have him design some uniforms. Not really uniforms, T-shirts and hats for the employees at Taco Bell. But it's pretty cool. They've got his artwork on the back and also on the hat. The slogan says, "Family is everything." So what they did is the CEO sent out, and this was sent out to every employee at Taco Bell, which is a lot of employees. And I guess franchise employees as well. The gear was distributed. Okay, maybe not drop shipped to everybody's house. Maybe it was. Who knows? The gear was distributed to Taco Bell team members across the country, along with a personal note from the CEO encouraging the staff to wear the uniforms with pride. And it's kind of cool. And again, it says family is everything, which is kind of neat. And that's one of Gonzalez. He's also known as It's the Living, I guess. But one of his things is winning is everything. That's something he did for the MTV Movie Awards. So family is everything's kind of a play on that. Well, I guess, or maybe it's not. But again, this is cool. This is only for the employees, and you can't buy it, so it's kind of exclusive. So it gives them a little sense of pride. It's kind of fun. So it's a good way to connect with your people and keep them happy. Okay, that's all I have for this one, folks.